Select the workspace, insert object, and select a folder. We'll name this folder Tools. Now inside the server script, service will want to insert a server script, and we'll name it Tool Handler. Inside this Tool Handler script, we'll have a function named onTouch, and it'll have one parameter, which is list. This list parameter should be an array with elements that are tools. So for each element of that array, and the function will want to find the handle. Just to avoid errors though, let's first check if handle does exist. If it does exist, then we'll look for the anti-touch script within the handle. And I know you might be saying, whoa Shiro, why is the variable named TI? We're not looking for touch interest. Well, I was just making sure that you were paying attention. Because you're right, that's just confusing. That's the importance of setting variable names that are accurate and straightforward. So anyways, if the anti-touch script does not exist, then we'll want to make a clone of it, and that's assuming that anti-touch is a child of this current script, and we'll make note of that so we don't forget. Now we'll set the parent of that clone to be the handle, and we'll make sure that that clone is not disabled, so the script will run. Now we have a new variable, tools. Using the onTouch function with that variable, we'll basically initialize all the tools within the folder. Now if a child is added to that tools folder, then we'll want to make note of that. We'll want to untouch the child, and remember though that the parameter within the function, it expects an array, so we'll just make it look like an array, but there's only one element. If a child is added to the workspace, we want to first check if the child is a tool. Afterwards, if it is, then we want to wait and set its parent to the tools folder, and the wait is actually pretty important. If you don't add a wait, then the game will think that something's wrong. Anyways, inside the script, inside the tool handler script, that's where we'll put the anti-touch script. And first we'll disable it so the script doesn't think it has to run. Now, inside the anti-touch script, we want to set an actual TI variable, so we're trying to look for the touch interest within the parent of this script. If touch interest does exist, then we want to destroy it. That's just basic initialization. Afterwards, we're gonna guard this. We're gonna guard the handle, alright? So if a child is added to the parent, to the handle, then you want to check if the class name, if the child is a touch transmitter, that's the class name of touch interest. Now, if it is, then we want to wait again, then we want to destroy it. Now let's give it a shot. I'm inserting a tool into the tools folder and I'm clicking play. Yeah, okay, we didn't pick it up, that's a good thing. Alright, now I'm gonna paste a tool into the workspace and it should have parented it to the tools folder.